spotted now. Let's just wait where it goes because it's going to come back across. Well, I never. That's definitely going on YouTube. It's in the bush up there, mate.
No.
Slow down.
Whoa! You say you knew what was coming. What was coming?
That one day we're going to be reliant. We have to rely on other countries for our telephone network support, and it could be features in it.
Just lastly on this,
Where the f are you going?
in the studio will be 30 years in the
What is this mess?
15 years.
Alright, I'll sit here then and watch you.
A single problem, Joe. How would you respond to that?
That's an interesting way to join the main road, yeah, I suppose. That's just I've never seen that on a driving lesson, or never seen anyone do. What an absolute mess. Right. How are you going to do this? You're going to go up the curb? Some mad skills. Oh, you stupid people.
Oh, look at those dicks. Parked on the bloody tram crossings that tram can't get over. And what do you expect is a burk in the murk.
They also say when you get to a point where... Is he going to stop? They also say when you... Whoa.
I don't think you knew that.
No, I don't think you did. Maybe.
Yeah. But it is.
Oh, you got a big van.
You couldn't have waited, could you?
You're going to have to pull forward. It's not going to be able to...
I'll just go up the curb, shall I? Because you just couldn't f***ing wait. Bastard.
Oh, okay.
That works.
Oh, and the driving school car has done it as well. And
here he comes, Mr. Shithead.
UK's ambassador out in Iran, Rob McCare,
Ooh. Rover.
Incredible in itself. Remember, as a top diplomat, he is entitled to immunity.
Who won't yield to me? I'm pretty sure that's my go for merging turn, but thanks anyway. I did like your Rover, but I don't like you. You're a bit of a selfish what's it, aren't you? What a tosser.
Give way, mate.
What are you doing? Are you turning right? I think you said, yeah, turning right. Pretty sure you're not supposed to turn right there, mate. I'm pretty sure there's like a little sign there below the traffic lights, but you know best.
Of august positions are going to deal with this.
Yeah. And I think the red light, mate, that's there.
Deeply unhelpful. It gets.
Okay. And then just told me a bronchitis.
Red light.
Is that what he has?
Yeah, well done.
Well,
Comedy short.
Right off you. Cock on a f***ing stick.
What's he gonna do now?
On a stick. Ta-da! Red light. Well done.
No transit, you wouldn't, but you bloody well would.
You'll forgive, but I did wrong.
hospital, but we are seeing the public response to all of this slowly creeping up. A number of schools throughout the UK have told staff and pupils to stay at home after returning from ski trips in northern Italy.
Thanks for that.
8 schools have closed, and that's
traffic is awful. That's the way to do it. Electro scooter.
Jump the light.